How to inform your client about price increase? This question I have received probably over 200 times from my students, because as a beauty entrepreneur is becoming a certain stage in our business where we want to earn more. We have bigger goals, and it's kind of we're in a situation that we have to announce our current clients that price is going up. And as I know, many beauty entrepreneurs in these moments, they start to panic like, oh my God, what should I do it, and how my clients will react to this message when I will deliver. And without having the proper tools how to announce correctly your clients about price increase, you may delay this moment. You may think now is not the good moment to increase prices, and you may delay this moment 6 months, 1 year, or even more. So in this lesson, we'll discuss about how to inform your clients about price increase. So watch until the end. Before we moving forward, please give me the permission to introduce myself. My name is Mariana. I have been in the beauty industry for over 8 years. In 2016, I started a home-based nail studio. I was working as a nail technician, and in only 6 months, I became full booked. Full booked on that moment was for me 80 clients. In 2017, I decided, no, I don't want to work from home anymore, and I have moved to a nail salon. And guess what? From those clients, only 30% have moved with me in a nail salon. Why? Because it was way too far from the place where I have lived, but I made this movement in a purpose because I was wanted to earn more, and I want to gain different clients, because there are certain type of clients who is going to a home-based nail salon, and there are different type of clients who they prefer a nail salon. So something more luxury, I will call. So I made this movement in a purpose, and again was necessary for me to gain clients, but this time was also successful. I want to move quick to this part. If you're following me in Instagram, probably you know more details about my story. And later, once I became full booked, I decided that I want to move forward. I want to move to another level. And I became a nail educator. From 2019 to 2023, I was activated only as a nail educator. I was not working with clients, and I have taught over 6,200 students, nail technician, which I'm super proud. In 2024, beginner of this year, I have closed my nail school in purpose again, just because it's time for me to move to another level, and I write it for myself another mission to help beauty entrepreneur to get clients and also to become nail educators. Now, once we know each other a little bit better, I wish that you can reply me back and to tell me something about yourself as well. But let's move forward. So, when the price have to go up? So if you are a beauty entrepreneur and you are full booked for the next 2 weeks in advance, that means you are a high demanded beauty entrepreneur. Doesn't matter which services do you do, massage, lashes, nails. If I want to book with you an appointment and you telling me I don't have anything available in 2 and 3 weeks from today, that means you are a high demand, and it's a sign for you that prices have to go up. When should you increase your prices? You took a piece of paper, calculator, and you have calculated what the expenses you have, plus you have a financial goal. You can have a goal to buy a house, to go on vacation, to buy a new car. Plus you calculated your expenses, and you understand that with current price it's impossible to achieve those financial goals. So in this moment, again, is the point for you. You have to increase your prices. So everything is coming in this option based on our goals. And another option, you want to change your target audience. So you have a big financial goals. What do I mean here? At the moment, you may have clientele which they can't afford to pay more. Okay, so they are okay with your current prices, but you have big goals. You want to travel. You have so many dreams which you want to achieve. Then you understand that, okay, I will increase my price, and this way I will be necessary to gain new clients who will afford. For them, my new prices will be totally fine. So in these three situations, I highly recommend you for you to increase your price. My recommendation is to announce your current clients about price increase a minimum 1 month in advance. Keep in mind that for us as a beauty entrepreneur, without clients, our business doesn't survive. Actually, as any business, clients are those people who is making our business successful. They bringing us money, and from our end, we need to show them care and good customer service. And announcing them in advance, at least 1 month, is part of our care and customer service, and this will be my recommendation. If you're doing nails, lashes, or massage, so for example, you may have clients which they are not coming to you strictly 1 month. Someone may come back to you in 6 months, but even right now, if I have on my list to do, on my goal to increase my prices in next month, in 2 months from now, so I will make sure in today's appointment, I will announce my client that prices is going up. That means when she's coming next time, there will be another price. So we announce our clients. You have to do it personally. Okay, I consider it a mistake when I see it. You just list the new price on your Instagram and put the other side the responsibility of your clients. I posted my price on Instagram, how come you didn't see it? No, for us as a beauty entrepreneur, we want to offer quality services, correct customer service, taking care of our clients, and it's our responsibility to announce the price increase. So I highly recommend you to do it in this way. Clients will appreciate. So even if you post on your social media, before you do that, make sure that you announce your clients either in private messages, either during the appointments. So in today's appointment, for example, I will announce my client that next time when she's coming, there will be some price increase. So I have a sample of the messages, how to send private messages. I would say, hi Christine, starting August 1st, the manicure services will be increased, and I will list the new prices. Gel nails $90, manicure $70. So you can make a nice beautiful price list with your services, and you will announce. And next I will say, it will be a pleasure to have you as my client in the future. If you find that is not a good fit, I understand. It was a pleasure to have you as a client. So what do I show in this message? I show that I'm thankful that you have been my client. I'm thankful that you have supported my business for so many years. Please let me know, and I will find an open window for your next appointment. With care, Mariana. I highly recommend you to do it this way, so private messages. But even a better way will be if you will announce your clients during the appointment. So in today's appointment, I will announce what is coming up, and I have an option for you. our during appointments we always communicate with clients, and this is how I used to say and have worked with me every single time, and clients have understand. They didn't get upset. I didn't receive any negative comments, because this is what is happening. We are afraid to announce about price increase because you may think that your clients will think something bad about you. So I never received any negative comments, and I have announced about price increase a minimum 6 times on my career as a nail technician, and never received a negative comments. And I always have used this structure of the message. I will say, Christine, I held the price services until the last moment without increasing it. Unfortunately, I can't do it anymore because these professional nail products are much more expensive. If I do not increase the price, I will have to choose to work with products from China or Amazon. Using pure quality products, I can't guarantee that my clients will not get an allergy or nail diseases, and that their nails will last. Look what I show in this message. I show care and I motivate. You know what? I'm care about my clients. I want my clients to love their nails and to have good quality. So it's necessary, and I'm forced to increase my prices. And I have mentioned in the first part of the message that until today I had hold the old price, but unfortunately moving forward this is not possible. And I will continue my message, my speech, okay, because this is how I used to say front, face to face with my clients. I don't want to take a risk. So by including this sentence, I don't want to take the risk. My client satisfaction is my priority. I can confidently guarantee the quality of my work. Okay, so I don't want to take the risk to use poor quality products. It's important for me client satisfaction, and this is what I will deliver, and I will highlight one more time to that client that I am that specialist who they have to choose me, because I'm really care about them. It's important for me to deliver a high quality services. And I will say, so starting August 1st, instead of 60, the manicure services will be $90. And I will highly recommend you also to print what is the new price list, okay? So you will have printed in the paper new price list and have it on client table. But please inform them, speak with them. Many times I saw that new price starting a date, but that expert, okay, that nail technician or lashes or massage therapist, they don't saying anything. So you don't know if any clients noticed that message or didn't notice that message, or clients may have, they have so many things which is going in their life and they forgot about this. But you, by announcing them, you taking care, correct? And we want to have our happy clients. Now, what to do for those beauty entrepreneurs who have only few clients? Should they increase the price now or no? So my strategy will be, if increasing prices, these thoughts is giving you right now a hard moment, like you are afraid to do it, my strategy will be, do not increase the price to your current clients. Leave the price whatever how it is. So if you have, I will say 10, 15 clients, you are just started your career as a beauty entrepreneur and you have just small number up to 20. So don't increase the price for them. They will bring you at least some income, and this will make you to feel more comfortable, more safe. But what you do, you list, for example, on your social media, on everywhere, on how do you use to gain your clients, a new price list, a higher price list. And you work on searching for new clients who will come to a higher price. As an example, your current clients, everybody will stay with the price of 50. I'm just choosing a random number, but everybody who is coming new and you working detailed and focused on searching for new clients who will pay you the price 80. So what will happen? This 20 clients, they will remain with the price of 50. This will not make you scary, okay? You will not panic about losing your clients, but slowly you're starting to gain new audience. And even if in 2 months, in 3 months, you will increase the price for also these 20 people from 50 to 80, so for them will not be something new. They know already that in the last 3 months you have worked with different price lists, and some of them will be leaving, for example, just because they can't afford anymore. Nothing wrong with you. Those clients, they can't afford anymore to pay a new price. It's their decision to leave. But for you, will be safe, okay? Just because if someone is leaving for 50, you know that you have new clients who will pay you 80. And if you are a beauty entrepreneur who wants to gain new clients and those clients who will pay you a higher check, or you want to move to another level to become an educator, then follow my page, because there you will find step-by-step instruction how to do it.